Hi, to change video resolution on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly we would need to go in our camera app, and here we are in a photo mode. We just need to switch to video mode by swiping right like that, and now tap on these three lines in the upper right corner. And first thing we can see is those numbers which are video resolution. So here we got two options. 720p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. So if you would like to take high resolution photos, you need to select 1080p at 30 fps. And if you want for your photos to take up less memory on your phone, then select this 720p at 30 fps, but the quality will be lower. So any option you'll select will light up orange like that, and to save the changes it is enough to simply tap on any free space on the screen, and that's it. So hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.